Morning students, we are going to start chapter number 10, Force and Pressure. First I would like to ask you what causes motion and movement in an object. Just think of a ball. When you push this ball, it starts moving. Now, if ball lying on the ground, until or unless you do not apply any sort of push or push, do you think the ball starts moving on its own? That will not happen. So in order to move a ball or any stationary object, we need to apply an external force. So here comes the word force. Force is something which causes an object to move and to stop. This force is what we are talking about in this lesson. Is pushing or pulling is force. Force in term of physics is we can say that a push or a pull is called force. Now look at the following pictures. In picture A baby is pulling a toy. In picture B, we see that a lady is pushing the door. And in C, the horse is pulling the blick. So these are the pictures of force we are applying here. Means a push or pull is called a force. Now, a push or pull can perform different phenomena or different activities. Like first, the force can making a moving object stop. Like in this picture, a player catches a ball and stop it. Next, a force can change the direction of stationary object. Means by applying force we can change the direction of an object. For example, here a football player kicks a rolling ball and change the direction of the ball. Or by applying a push on an almirah, keep kept in a room to make a face a different direction. We can change the direction of the almirah by applying force. Next is by applying force we can change the speed of a moving object. Like you can see in this picture, a man is pushing the swing or speed up. By applying force, a man is speeding the swing. Next is by applying force we can change the shape of an object also. For example, as your mother makes chapati at your home, by applying force we can change the shape of the floor. Similarly, here students are playing with clay and by applying force they are changing the shape like fruits, animals, etc. Next example, as the laborers breaking the bricks, by applying force they are changing the shape of the bricks. So in physics, a push or pull is defined as force, and a force can do following activities. As first is, we see within examples, move an object lying at rest. A force can move an object lying at rest. Force can stop a moving object. A force can change the speed of an object, change the direction of an object, and change the shape of an object.